If you've never tried a garage light like this, you gotta check it out. It's kind of hard for me to show you how bright this actually is just because the camera kind of auto adjusts to the light. But just one of these does a really good job at illuminating a room, making it really bright. I had some fluorescent lights in my kitchen before. One of the bulbs burnt out, and I don't think anyone uses fluorescent lights anymore. At least I don't like fluorescent lights. I think there's much better options. So I put a socket where the fluorescent light was before, just put this single light in there, and it's brighter than the fluorescent lights ever were. Does a really good job lighting up the room. I have this set up in my garage as well, so I have a nicely brightly lit garage. These were sent to me so I could make this video. These lights come in a 2-pack. They fit your most common socket sizes. One thing I like about this style of lights is you can see it's pointing out. So if you need to bounce light off walls or something like that, you can. And then it has this light underneath. So that's always pointing down. But you can angle these however you want. So you could angle some of these down, some of these out. Now, I do want to point out that this is fairly lightweight as everything here is plastic. But here's just kind of a close look so you can see how many LEDs there actually are. This is pretty impressive. I've been using garage lights like this for probably about the past 5 years, and these do just as well as any I have used. It's really bright. I like that you can kind of direct where the LEDs go. The other nice thing is they're not really that expensive, so it's worth trying at least once if you've never tried this style of light before. I definitely recommend it.